Hello friends, welcome back to English as it is. Now today's video will be on adverbs and adverb phrases, and let me tell you that I have already covered noun and noun phrases and adjective phrases in detail, how to frame them, how to use them. Okay, now if you have already watched all those videos I have just mentioned, you have probably noticed that in any combination of noun and adjective, it is noun phrase. If it is the combination of noun, adjective and adverb, all three together, it is also a noun phrase. Then if we get a combination of adjective and adverb, it is an adjective phrase. Then what is exactly the combination of an adverb phrase? Now here is the tricky part, because through these examples or through these expansions of adverbs into adverb phrases, I will try to help you find a possible clue so that you can find on your own, or you can set a frame on your own to frame adverb phrases just easily and universally. Now if we look at these phrases, adverb phrases closely, we will get a particular clue, and that is we are here having noun or noun phrases in these expanded forms. And then every noun or noun phrase in these expanded patterns, we get a preposition at the very beginning. So that is the clue or the solution or the secret. We have to place a preposition at the very beginning and then take a noun phrase or a noun simply. Then this combination will surely become an adverb phrase. But in some cases, that combination of preposition plus noun or noun phrase will frame or form some adjective phrases as well. In other words, if we get an adverb phrase, that phrase must begin with a preposition, and then we will get a noun or noun phrase. Take for example, frequency adverbs, say regularly, can be expanded like at regular interval, often at frequent interval, never at no time, always at all times. So all four, they are beginning with a preposition, in these cases at. Again, manner, bravely in a brave manner or way, slowly in a slow manner or way, quietly with no sound or volume, or even in a quiet manner. You see, in all the cases again, we get a preposition at the very beginning of the phrases. Place, here, at this place, there, at that place. Now these two are beginning with prepositions, but sometimes we don't get a suitable word or adverb to express a particular idea. In that case, we shift or switch to adverb phrases like on the rooftop, beyond our reach, within the limits. So you see, we can't simply just contract or summarize these phrases into single word adverbs. So we have to use them in the sentences wherever necessary. Now that is the way. The indication is that wherever we can't get a single word adverb to indicate a particular idea, we can use an adverb phrase. That is okay. Time, now, at this moment, then at that moment, before, at any previous time, after, at some later point in time. So all are beginning with preposition like at in these cases. Again, degree, to or very can be expanded into to a large extent, quite, to an almost full extent, partly, to a marginal extent, all of which are beginning with the preposition to. Then reason or cause, so we have single word adverb like hence and therefore. They can be expanded into for this reason and for that reason respectively, after which I have given two adverb phrases: because of rain, owing to rain. So here, because of is the preposition, owing to is the preposition, after which we are getting nouns. So they are ultimately adverb phrases. Then purpose, for example, for the boys, for money, for the awards. So you see that we are beginning with a preposition for in all the three cases. Then in the first one, the boys, it's a noun phrase, money noun, the awards again a noun phrase. So noun or noun phrase, and they are being preceded by a preposition, and the whole combination is then becoming an adverb phrase. So you see, this is the formula or the secret. Adverb phrase must be in terms of a preposition plus noun or noun phrase. So all of them, whether it is an adverb or an adverb phrase, they can never be the subject or object in a sentence, and in fact, therefore, they are to be part of the predicate. And be careful whenever you try to convert an active voice sentence into a passive voice sentence, because we try to find out the object in that active voice sentence, and very often we get confused as to whether or not any one of these adverb phrase patterns can be the object in that sentence. And remember, if any combination begins with a preposition, that combination can never ever be the subject or the object, as I said a moment back. Let's now know about what are the different functions of an adverb or an adverb phrase in a sentence. Alright, so before I take up the various functions of adverbs or adverb phrases, let me show you something interesting first. Okay, so I have written first the word adverbs. So here we get adverb s. Now I can frame two words beginning with adjective, adverb, then I'm taking verb as it is, and then with s I'm writing sentence. So we have got three parts of a speech: adjective, adverb, verb, and sentence itself. That means, remember that an adverb or an adverb phrase can modify an adjective, an adverb, a verb, or even a sentence. All right, let me give you examples. All right, then look at these 4 examples. Number 1, he ran really fast. He improved really quickly. He worked hard. Number 4, generally I take cold showers. Now, first example, here the adjective is fast. It is getting modified by the adverb really. Okay, so it is number 1. Number 2, he improved really quickly. This time quickly is adverb itself. Now this adverb is getting modified or qualified by another adverb, that is really. So number 2. Number 3, he worked hard. Hard is adverb, and particularly adverb of manner, that means in a hard manner. So here the adverb hard is modifying the verb worked. So number 3 is fulfilled. And then number 4, that is an adverb can modify the full sentence. So here the sentence is like this: I take cold showers, but before that we get an adverb like generally. Now this is not adverb of manner, it is actually modifying the whole sentence, and if we convert this adverb, it will become a principal clause. Okay, like, so we see that the adverb generally is now getting expanded into a principal clause. It is a general habit, and then we are getting the conjunction that, after which the main sentence is getting placed as it is. So we are getting 2 clauses. It is a general habit principal clause, and the rest of the part is secondary clause or the subordinate clause. Alright friends, so that's it about this video today. I'll be taking off clauses in my upcoming videos: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. So it will be a complete set: words, phrases, and clauses. And if you can master all 3, alright, then I can guarantee that your English grammatical knowledge will be just perfect. Alright, because in that case you'll be able to transform sentences from simple to complex, from complex to simple, just easily. And in the meantime, keep watching and enjoying all the other various contents available on this channel for you with regard to English grammar, composition, and vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and serve your motherland.